Now the topic is sterilization. Now the topic is sterilization. Sterilization nothing but sterility means complete absence of viable or microorganisms. Sterility. Sterilization means complete removal of viable microorganisms. Complete removal of viable microorganisms. What is the sterility or sterilization? Nothing but sterilization is a process. Sterility nothing but complete, no single one microorganism is allowed. Means viable means living microorganism. No means complete removal of complete viable microorganism. Sterilization nothing but complete absence of viable microorganism. Sterilization nothing but complete absence of viable microorganisms. Next, what are the different methods we are used to sterilize for the sterilization purpose? Means filtration, radiation, gaseous sterilization, dry heat sterilization, and moist heat sterilization. So this is the mechanism of action. This is about the biological indicators. This is about chemical indicators. This is about application part. So filtration. In the filtration, what we are doing means just removal of bacteria, but not destruction. Removal of bacteria. Just this is a sieve. This is a sieve. This is a sieve. Just I am retaining the microorganisms. The liquid flows below. So just removal of bacteria, but not destruction. This will not kill this bacteria. This just sieve is there. This will just retain the bacteria or remove the bacteria from the solution, but not a destruction of these bacteria. So what are the biological indicators? Nothing but Pseudomonas diminuta and serratia. Chemical indicators, bubble point. Next, for what kind of liquid? Means thermolevel liquids and solution. We are using this filtration. Why? Because we are not at all using any heat here. So that's why we are using for thermolevel liquids and solution. Next one is radiation. Radiation means this radiation will damage the DNA by UV radiation having wavelength 265, nanometer. That is ionization. It will ionize the DNA or free radical formation. Mechanism is free radical formation or ionization or DNA damage by UV radiation of having wavelength 265 nanometer. So what are the biological indicators? Mean Bacillus pumilus. This is continuous. Bacillus pumilus. Next, chemical indicator dosimeter. For thermolevel liquids only. Next one is gaseous sterilization. Means alkylation of proteins. Proteins are alkylated. Mechanism of action. What are the biological indicators? Bacillus subtilis, and Warniger. Bacillus subtilis and Warniger. Chemical indicator rosacea sachet. This is single only, rosacea sachet. Next, for what kind of application part is for disposable syringe and fragile rubber. The rubber which is easily broken, that is can be sterilized by using radiation. Fragile rubber or disposable syringe. For disposable syringes. Next one is dry heat sterilization. See, very important. Dry heat sterilization, moist heat sterilization. Oxidation of protein. Proteins is get oxidized. Here denaturation of or coagulation of proteins. The proteins will get, this is a protein that is denatured, means the three-dimensional structure is changed. Denaturation or coagulation of protein here. But there is a oxidation of protein here. So what are the biological indicators? Bacillus subtilis. See, for gaseous for gas is Bacillus subtilis and Warniger. For dry heat also Bacillus subtilis, Warniger. Chemical indicators. Brown is tube or brown dick heat sensitive paper. Brown is tube or brown dick heat sensitive papers. So for what kind of products we can applicable for dry heat sterilization means oils, fats, powders. See non-aqueous liquids, oils, fats and powders. These three are not permeable to moisture. See, in moist heat sterilization, water we are using, nothing but in moist heat, nothing but water we are using. So that water we can call as a moist or steam, we can call it as steam. That steam cannot penetrate these oils, fats and powders. Hence, these are not sterilized by oils, fats and powders are not sterilized by moist heat sterilization. Why means steam, whatever the steam is there, that is not penetrate. The steam is not penetrate through oil, fat or powders. So those are sterilized by using dry heat sterilization. And glass and metals. See, metals, if metals get sterilized by using moisture nothing but water. When the metal touches with water, when water touches to the metal get corrosive. So metals cannot be sterilized by moist heat. Hence we are sterilized by using dry heat sterilization. Next one is glass. Glasses can be sterilized by using dry heat sterilization. Why means gases will not melt at the temperature whatever we are using in the dry heat sterilization. The glass melting point is approximately 1000. The glass melting point. Hence the glass can be sterilized by using dry heat sterilization. Next one is moist heat sterilization. Mechanism: denaturation or coagulation of protein. So what are the biological indicators? Stereothermophilus. Bacillus stereothermophilus or Clostridium sporogenis. In Bacillus stereothermophilus. Biological indicators. Chemical indicator, strip papers. So now for what kind of materials we are applicable of this moist heat sterilization means aqueous solution. See, moist heat nothing but steam. Is there. Moist nothing but steam. Steam nothing but water. So whenever the water is there, this is applicable to the water containing solution. Steam, water, applicable for the water containing solution. And rubber and glasses. See, rubber and glasses are permeable to the water, permeable to the steam. See, rubber and glasses are permeable to the moisture nothing but steam. Rubber and glasses are permeable to steam, nothing but water. Hence we are sterilized by using moist heat sterilization. See, rubber cannot be sterilized by dry heat sterilization. Why means rubber get melted. So hence we are aqueous solutions. Contain water. Hence moist heat sterilization. Rubbers and glasses you can be sterilized by using moist heat sterilization. Why means these rubber and glasses are permeable to this steam. Okay, but rubber cannot be sterilized by using dry heat sterilization. Why means rubber get degraded due to the temperature.